It's all about technique and breaking down the movement to fully understand it. So let's get started. The Turkish Get Up. First of all, you're going to be laying flat on the floor. So get your mat. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, don't worry about dumbbells or weights or anything else. Lay back on the floor. You're going to be completely laying down, both legs. You're going to bring one leg up into a tucked position. The objective here is that you're going to have this like a gas pedal to push down with and do your sit-up. Okay, so you can use the momentum of your leg to get your sit-up in there. Now, some people are going to struggle with that in itself. So you're going to try to keep your opposite arm to the sky. The objective here is you're holding a torch to the sky the entire time. So with the torch up and the knee up, you're going to do your first sit-up as best you can. Practice that movement, if you have to, 10 times. Okay, just get used to that movement. If you're good with that movement, you can advance to part 2. So push to get up. The next thing you want to do, holding the torch up, is place your hand behind you. That hand behind you is going to allow you to get your feet into a bridge position. Okay, so one hand behind for leverage, torch to the sky. You want to practice this movement, the hip bridge, and down. Okay, now I'm breaking the movement down for you today so you can practice this for this week. Up and down 10 times if you need the practice on the hinging with the torch to the sky. Okay, and if you're good with that, then you would combine the two movements, the sit-up into the bridge. That's movement number 2. Okay, sit up to bridge. Once you've got the bridge pattern down, okay, so sit up to bridge, hand behind to bridge. The next movement is to tuck your leg underneath. So the hand is acting as a bridge so that you can remove the leg. We're going to kick that leg underneath us. Okay, so torch stays to the sky. From the bridge, you're going to tuck your right, if you're on your right arm, you're going to tuck your right leg underneath. What happens there is you put the knee down and it allows you to remove the hand. So now you're in this upright, torch to the sky position, and you can get the hand out of there. So let's try that again. Back down on the hand, back to the bridge. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to use an abdominal rotation and turn my hips and get the knee underneath. Once the knee's underneath, I can remove the hand. Okay, so let's try it again. Back from bridge, turn the hips, right, and tuck the knee underneath and up. Practice that. So to go back to the start, we're in position abdominal. Sit up, hand back, bridge, tuck, and up. See how much there's going on here? Break the movement down. Practice makes permanent. Torch to the sky, the next movement. Once you're past the bridge, getting into this position, next movement is to turn the back leg into single leg lunge. Notice you're in the split squat or the single leg lunge position, right, with the torch to the sky. So we're going from here with the knee down, lift the hips, turn the back leg. It's that swinging of the hips and turning of the rotation of the core. So we're here, up, turn the core, and now from this position, reset yourself and practice getting up into your stance. Okay, so that is this movement. Single leg split squat with torch to the sky. Up and back. Up and back. Noticing that if you practice that 10 times, you're going to get better at it. So here's the breakdown. If you're following me today, don't get confused or overwhelmed by it. Enjoy the process because eventually it looks like this. Torch to the sky, gas pedal in place, the sit-up, the hand back, the bridge, the rotation, the turn, the get-up. And that is a Turkish get-up. How cool is that? Notice all the movements that got you to the top. Okay, so now you're at the top. How do we get back down? Here's what happens when we're at the top. The hand is at the sky, the torch is in place. The first thing we do is walk it backwards, the reverse step lunge, okay, to get back down. The next thing we do is we turn the body. Notice we're doing things in reverse. Once you've learned forward, we got to learn how to reverse it. So hit rewind. What was the next thing we did? We had to put the hand back down. Remember, the knee replaced the hand. Okay, then we go from here, once we have hand position, to get the hips back underneath into the bridge. Then the bridge goes down to the glutes, so we can actually sit down. That allows us to remove the hand. As we remove the hand, notice the torch falling back into the abdominal position where we started, and that's how you get back down. Notice I'm now loaded for rep number 2. Up, hand, bridge, tuck, replace, turn, and step up. Reverse lunge, turn, hand down, bridge up, hip drop, reverse. Now you know how to do the Turkish Get Up.